Good afternoon. So I'm out here at Blue Horizons again. I just can't get away from this place. So I called about a home last night that wasn't far enough along in construction last week for me to shoot some video on. And then it had a buyer on it. And then it came available last night. And so I'm at Lennar Homes once again. This is the deal of the day. And I put a hold on this lot because I know I'm going to sell it. So this is the Lewis floor plan. It's 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, 2-bay garage. Lennar Homes comes fully built out with all appliances. So all kitchen appliances, microwave, dishwasher, the refrigerator, obviously, range, and then laundry machines as well. Now this particular home right here is a quick move-in home, and the additional incentive that the builder is offering is 2.75% on approved credit. That's with at least a 660 FICO. And in addition, there's $5,000 that they're paying towards closing costs. I'm going to walk through here real quick. It does not have flooring in it, but the cabinetry is in, and you can get a good idea of how the home. Hey, Kirby. And yeah, I'm going to come see you probably. I can't get enough of this place. I'm going to flip the camera around and walk through here. So the price of this home is $288,490. It's slated to be completed at the very end of July. Like I said, 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, 2-bay garage, all appliances. It does have a north-south situation here, setting on the lot. I'm gonna go through the garage just because there's a lot of nails the other way. And I got my flip-flops on because it's 100. I'll note before I even go in that they also do a soft water loop, that there will be a gas range, that in addition Lennar does I'm gonna go back to the front door. It does a very efficient home. They do their blown in insulation. So when you walk in to the left, there's a bathroom and a bedroom that faces the street. There's a closet out here. The full bathroom, okay? So there's one tub. And then the kitchen. See, there's a gas stub for a gas stove. White appliances. It'll either have quartz countertops or granite. I didn't see the build sheet. There's a pantry. Nice recessed lighting. The other thing that Lennar does, that all the homes that I've been in so far, they've been pre-wiring them for surround sounds. And I was just talking to a client last night. I love the idea of a brand new home right now because you get a brand new home, right? Nobody's ever... Sorry about that. Cabinetry's new. Everything's new. Here's a Jack and Jill sort of bathroom. Not that it goes to 2 rooms, but you've got access. So there's 2 bedrooms here, back to the, I would call that a great room. And then the master's over here. There's that access to that bathroom again. Another closet. Another bedroom. Decent size, I'd say 12 by 12. This bathroom had his and her sinks and a full bath. So 5 beds, 3 full baths. The price of this is $288,490. And I think I said it's just under 2,000 square feet, 1,939 square feet. And then there'll be his and hers sinks in the master. And then this will be a large shower. And I know that they do this in a subway tile. That's beautiful. So this whole thing would be the subway tile. And that's sharp looking. Pre-wired for ceiling fans in every room. That's one thing that you'd need to get on your own. Pre-wired for ceiling fan out here on the back patio. And then here's the backyard. So there's plenty of work to do here, but you know, crews will be, this wall in the house will be up in a day. The mountain views out there. The home will be painted in another day. 3 days the flooring will be in, and then they'll just start slapping everything else in together, and next thing you know, we'll be ready to move in. But back to a new home, right? You get a new home and you don't have to worry about, you know, getting a resale home that's 15 years old and might need an air conditioner anytime now or appliances anytime now. That would be an additional cost to your budget. So I've got a hold on this lot because I know I've got it sold. And I'm Andrew Texidor with Homesmart. 602-909-9414. I'd count it a pleasure and an honor to help you buy your home.